Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome to my kitchen where I talk about how I save money, how I make money, and I drink with you guys. So today's video is going to be about Rakuten. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Dollar Tree DIY. Storage solutions for small houses. Like makeover. Let me show you what I got. I washed all of my clothes together. Let's go make something. All right, this video is totally not sponsored. Be really cool if it was, but totally not sponsored. I just talk about Rakuten a lot when I talk about saving money, getting cash back, things like that. So I wanted to do a quick little video about how it works in case you do not know how it works. And of course, my referral link is linked below. Still not sponsored, but I do have a referral link. All right, so Rakuten is a cashback website. So all it is whenever you buy something, every single time I buy anything online, anything from Coach to Target to like dollar store, I go in and I just go to Rakuten.com and I search in their little search bar, signed in, and I see if it's on there, right? So if it's on there, then I just click the link there and I go to the website, and whatever amount it says I'm gonna get cash back, I get that cash back. Like, that's all you have to do after you sign up. Like, it takes you an extra second. You can get like 1% cash back, or you might get 15% cash back. Black Friday, they have like ridiculous amounts cash back. So like whenever like Ulta, Coach, all that, they have all like the really big sales. I try to stock up on like the makeup and stuff like that. And then I get the extra 15 or more cash back. So you have to go sign up. If someone signs up with your referral link, you make a little bit of money. I think it's like $10 or $5, I forget what it is. And then I think they get a discount, like you get $10 off your first purchase, so you can literally go buy stuff for free. Plus you get the cash back. So if you use my link, I get cash, you get cash. That's how it works. But regardless of that, it's super simple. Like, I just go in and I might go, to Target, right? I get an extra 1% cash back on top of my Target savings. And then if I'm gonna pair that with a cashback credit card or whatever, I'm gonna make even more money. It's the easiest, simplest thing, and it takes 2 seconds. I know that there's like an app, but I just go through the website. It's super simple. You go through, click a link, sign up, and that's really it. Like, there's no big, cool, exciting thing. I mean, I even save on hotels.com, which I think is a good one. Or like when I'm traveling, hear me out, if I'm gonna stay in a hotel, I can go to Rakuten, and then I can go through Rakuten to raise.com. I'll link raise.com down below. If you don't know what that is, that's like discounted gift cards. And I'll go buy the discounted gift card and get the cash back on Rakuten. And then I'll go back through Rakuten to hotels.com to get my hotel, right? And then I get the cash back again. So you're like getting cash back twice for the same thing if you buy the discounted gift card also. It's my favorite thing on the planet. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I don't really know if I can answer them, but I could try. Yeah, please stay and subscribe for the most ridiculous money saving videos and me rambling. All right, that's it. Bye, I love yous.